my friend. I'm so happy you're here. Welcome to our next adventure. Remember, we will have many adventures on our journey. Books help us visit amazing worlds when we learn to read. Are you ready? Great. I'm going to read now. Close your eyes for 1 second and imagine with me. Once upon a time, in a bright little town, there was a cute cat who loved cookies. A small cup of milk and shiny cubes to play with. But one day, the cat needed help. Wow! I'm here! Look at this town he'd won! It's so colorful!
Oh no! Our cat is stuck up high!
A cat? Where? Oh, Kitty, don't be scared!
We tried to help, but we can't reach the cat.
I feel sad too. We have to help the cat. Say it with me. Car.
Maybe the car can bring something to help.
Yes, let's go. Look, C-A-T. Cat starts with C and A. C with A makes C-A. Cat. Can you say it? Cat. Cat starts with the letter C. C plus A. The sound is ka. Cat. Cookie starts with the letter C. And then comes O. Cookie.
Great!
And look, A-C-A-R. Car starts with C and A. C with A makes C-A. Car. Let's write it in the air. C-A-C-A. Again, C-A-C-A. Oh, I see a cup. Cup starts with C and U. C with U makes C-U. Cup. Why do we need a cup? We can bring milk for the cat. That will help the cat feel calm. Good job. Cat, don't be scared. Look, I have a cup. A cup of milk for the cat. Come down, Cat. Cup. Good job, Cat. Look, a cookie. Cookie starts with the letter C, and then comes Kitty, look, cookie. Achoo! Silly cat. The cat likes the cookie. Cookie starts with C and O. C with O makes C-O. Cookie! And then comes O. C and O. Cookie. Hello, little cat. Cup, a cup of milk. Cookie, sweet cookie, yum. Cat and cup. Oh no, it fell. It's okay. We can try again. Slow hands, slow steps. Hold the cubes. Cube, nice and strong. Slowly, softly, we can do it. And look, C-U-B-E. Cube starts with C and U. C with U makes C-U. Cube.
Cubes can make steps.
Yes. Let's build. Cookie starts with C and O. C with O makes C-O. Cookie! Achoo! Silly cat. Cookie! The cat likes the cookie. Kitty! Look, C-O-ookie. Cookie starts with C and O. C with O makes C-O. Cookie! Come on, Kitty. Yay! The cat is safe.
Thank you, Baby Lumi.
You're welcome. When we help each other, we feel brave. Let's play a quick game. When you see the cat, say cat. When you see the car, say car. Cup. Cube. Cookie. When you see the car, say car. Cup. Cube. 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 Cookie.
Cat, cat, hello little cat. Cup, 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 a cup of milk. Cookie, 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 sweet cookie, yum. Cat and cup. Cat and cup, cat and cup. Cat drinks milk from the cup. Cookie, 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 sweet cookie, yum. Cat and cup.
Now let's remember what we learned. C with A makes CA. Cat, car. C with O makes CO. C with U makes CU. Cup, cube. CA, cat, car. CO, cookie. Cat, cat, car. Cookie. Coo, cup, cube. C with A makes CA. Cat, car. C with O makes CO. C with U makes CU. Cup, cube. CA, cat, car. CO, cookie. Cat, car. Cookie. Coo, cup, cube.
CO, cat, car. We can read near and far. CO, cookie, sweet and round. U, cup, Q, we found. Cat in the tree, car by the road. Cup with milk in a little load. Cookie to help the kitty come. Cube scares, now we're all done.
Today we helped a cat, and we learned a new sound. C with A, O, and U sounds like K. Did you like our adventure? Did you have fun? Leave a like and come back for the next episode. We have many more adventures together, and soon you will read books and travel to magical worlds too.
The letter C with A makes K. I can write cat, car, cap. The letter C with O makes co. I can write cookie, corn, cow, co. The letter C with U makes Q. I can write cup, Q, cut, cup. The letter C with A makes K. I can write cat, car, cap. The letter C with